Hello?
What up?
Not much, man. How you doing?
Oh, just, you know, dying.
Living the good life.
That's right. Trying to get used to PUBG on PC.
Did you play it on console before?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I just got this PC, I don't know. I just built it last week, finished finally. And
Nice.
never played a game with mouse and keyboard, so I, downloaded like Apex and fucking Call of Duty and stuff, just get used to it. And now I'm building a little more confidence to play a good game.
Sick, man. Well, congrats on building your first PC. That's awesome.
Thanks, man. Yeah, thank you. It's actually a lot easier than people make it out to be.
It's fucking Lego for adults, bro. The pieces are just really expensive.
Yep, pretty much.
Everyone thinks you're a genius when you do it. It's so weird.
Yeah, exactly.
You guys don't know. It's so easy.
I was telling my wife, I was like, yeah, I'm going to build a PC. She's like, you know how? I was like, I can watch YouTube videos and figure it out.
And the PC Master Race was born.
First up at that gas station.
Yeah, one's playing this station. One's going back where that other solo player landed, and then there's two towards the warehouses.
4.
We're getting in this fight, Dabs.
Coming. Does anyone need a tank?
No, I'm good. Oh, shit.
A what?
Tack.
Yeah, always. Thirsted one, finished one? Or sorry, thirsted one, knocked one?
Where are they?
Thank you.
Okay, I'm grabbing this truck here, Dabs. You want me to come pick you
I'm
up?
not seeing anything over here.
I got you. You guys can clean up a little bit. I'm gonna go get him. One more guy still up in this place. Grab a gas if you see it, boys. Time to go.
Ready?
Buggy behind us. Going off-road.
Out of gas.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Anybody have extra boosters, or?
I can give some, yeah. How many do you have?
I have none. I just took my painkiller earlier.
Okay, here.
SLR.
Thank you.
Does anyone need a AR comp?
Car 98. I do need a comp.
You got it.
Then I'm pretty set, actually.
Yeah, I'm Gucci now. I have everything.
Where's that K9? I'll take that.
Your Dabs,
Oh,
you want
shit,
that comp?
that's close, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guess we should just kind of move somewhere. Keep the truck. This one's still pretty good on gas.
I thought when you switched two different gun. Oh shit.
Oh no. I was
That
rounding that corner.
That was
Sorry.
kind of my fault. You're good, dude. I thought when you switched the gun, it dropped all your attachments off of that. What the fuck?
Wait, what?
When you switched to a different, I just dropped a Mini 14 and it kept all my attachments. I thought they fixed it a while ago.
Oh, they added.
It's an option now.
Oh, okay. I gotta switch that then.
I actually need to put
It's
it
a
on
setting.
because I kind of like it.
It's pretty cool. I kind of like it.
Yeah. I have it off right now. Mine never
Like,
turned
making
on.
This game easier.
Yeah. Noob friendly.
Exactly.
It's perfect for me, at least.
Should we just ditch the vehicle?
Probably could
Yeah, I'm
now.
down for that.
Who was the guy who had only the 2 boosters I gave him? You still only have 2?
I just took one.
So you got 1 left?
Yes, one left. Yes, sir.
Here, come here.
Thank you. Yeah, I do. Thank you.
It's 5. Some 5-5 up here.
You want to just play this first ridge?
Yeah.
Or you want to get right in their depths?
I don't know.
Yeah, how do you split your ammo, actually?
Control?
Control.
Oh, okay.
And then drag it or whatever.
Okay. I'm like right-clicking and shit.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh, there's a motorbike here. Do we want to grab that and pull it up? Is that worth it? So
Probably okay
valuable.
without it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's here though if we need it.
People.
Yeah, see him?
Sounds like Northeast.
Yep.
Sounds like somewhere over there. On like yellow. North of us. Oh, I see him. I think I saw him. Yeah, 2 right there, 20 on my mark. I think one of them has 3 gear. Bottom of the hill.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Tagged one. The one in the
Tag
back.
1. Knocked 1.
I think the other one's like halfway up the hill. I think I saw him on my mark. Like red.
Woo, baby! Let's get some!
Was that a full 4?
Yeah, it was a full 4. I'm gonna keep the half grip, I guess. That felt real nice.
Half is pretty good. I'm tagged.
Yeah, you guys are in the road. 115. Oh, wow.
Don't
what a
get
shot.
knocked for this, guys. We don't need any loot.
Yeah.
What are you guys?
I don't know what I'm.
I dipped right back off that. Was that from the compound or where?
That was in the street.
Sounds like 100.
Are you in smoke?
Yep. Right in the
Do you
middle.
crawl backwards or?
I'll get him. I'll
You
get
can
him.
move a little bit.
I'm out of smoke.
Oh, oh.
Fall back to the tree.
Took a long time with that.
Don't blow them out.
Brother.
Don't blow them out.
Just kidding. Grenade.
I'll blow
Go
you
back.
out.
Hey, Ford, go back.
Coming. Just trying to get a first aid off that dude. Fuck.
They're pushing.
You don't have first aid?
I have bandages.
Here, I got you on a first aid. Right here?
Thank
2?
you.
It's just like loop around. I don't know.
Yeah, I think we have
Where
to
are
now.
It's gonna be a weird fight with like no
Yeah,
cover, like,
exactly. And we're so open. As soon as we start shooting,
Yeah,
so
then
many people got
anyone
eyes
could
on
pop
us.
Over the ridge, like any.
Relax. Why me, buddy? Are you fucking serious?
Hit him.
Knocked him.
Nice.
I'm out of smokes. I might just try and get a flank off.
Okay. I'm
Nice
just gonna get
knockdown.
this quick res, and then I'm gonna do wrap on the low side.
Okay, I'll dip.
I killed one over here and finished him. There's only 12 people.
Yeah, we gotta
We're
win this
4 of the
fight.
last 12.
We gotta win this fight.
They're smoking one over there.
I see him. He pulled back.
Knocked him again.
Good knock.
Okay, pushing.
No way. Fucking headshot it. Just keep them
Also some
busy.
people behind them.
I
Like
knew the
2
fuck
squads, I
up.
guess.
That's my smoke.
First aiding. Falling back. It's dangerous as shit.
Good knocks.
Oh, that guy's third knock. But nice.
Finish.
Oh,
Finish.
Yeah,
They're all
insta.
done.
Insta.
2 squads left.
shit.
That was
Let's
a-
go.
That was there's 2 squads, or I mean 1 squad. Sniper suppressor.
Got it.
I'm grabbing all the smokes. Anyone have a
I need
fresh helmet?
more 5.5. I'm running out of bullets.
Fresh helmet?
Got
there's a
some.
shit
Got some.
box on me.
Yeah, yeah. I haven't been shot yet.
Nice, dude.
Oh, 3 helmet. Fuck.
Oh, I did take 1 body shot. Yeah.
Dude, look at this circle. That's nice.
Yeah, because I feel like there's less players behind us, right? We
I
might have
mean-
the rest of them zoned.
Everyone has to leave Chumasera. We got this whole, like, if they're in Chumasera camping, they gotta come out. And we got this whole rock, like, ledge.
Just nobody take any easy knocks. Like if you see someone try to like peek back.
Okay, I see a guy
Okay, I
at the
see
fence
one.
line,
Yeah,
235.
warehouse, far side. Dabs to your right. 245
I only see one so far. I'm watching warehouse just in case the next
in the
guy's
open.
This might not be a full. Fuck.
One more. Top of the ridge.
That was southeast, sounds like.
Got
Good
him.
shots. Good shots.
Killed him. 3 left.
We know one's
our
down
back.
at that red.
People could be in front of us. This circle's huge, kind of. For this many people. Like, they could be down in that brick or something down there. I don't know if that's in. So we know what? 1 more is at the warehouse.
Didn't he make it down to the red brick?
Wait, what?
I thought he made
Could
it down
be,
to the
is that
red
what
brick house. No, he did.
Oh,
here
I
one.
thought he
On me.
fell
On me.
back.
On me. Comms.
Pushing.
Knocked.
Didn't have the angle.
I need some med. Behind.
These guys are. Yep.
2 guys left. I just thought that motorcycle was a person.
Same, dude.
I was about to fuck it up. There's one right in front of you, Camel.
Oh
Oh,
fuck.
yeah, Camel. 85 on the hill.
He's dead.
Good knock,
Insta?
dude. Wow.
That one's on the like 340
Where? Oh shit, I'm
Behind
right
the
in the
ridge.
open.
north, maybe.
Right in the open. Fuck. This is so bad. I'm running down. My 3 gear's pretty fucked. It was pretty fucked when I pulled it off the body, but now it's really fucked.
Thank you so much for saving my life, Dabs. It's 4v1, guys.
I'm pushing this guy. Fuck it. I have faith if I get.
I'm getting the zone. I'm getting the zone.
It's pretty much 3v1, but yeah, I know what you're getting at.
No, man, you're in this fight, bro. I didn't res you for no reason. You're gonna
I
get this
appreciate
clutch
you.
right here at the end.
I'm random smoking over there. Those
Okay.
are mine.
I do not
Trying
like
to
this
kind of draw them
overkill.
out.
Yeah,
Let's just go.
baby.
Good shit, guys.
How many you got, Dabs? I got 9.
GG, boys.
GG's.